আমাকে একটি শিক্ষিত মা দাও, আমি একটি শিক্ষিত জাতি উপহার দেব, বলেছিলেন ফরাসি সম্রাট নেপোলিয়ন। আমি জানি, I know there are so many beginners in Search English group. There are so many good speakers, there are so many teachers, there are so many beginners, and different type of people are there in Search English group. So there are so many expert in their Search English group. I know. That's why I would like to get the proper translation of it. আমাকে একজন শিক্ষিত মা দাও, আমি একটি শিক্ষিত জাতি উপহার দিব. This is for the all. Please try to write below the proper translation. And this is Mahmoud Rahman Shamim in front of camera. I'm going to give you some tips who are really very beginners, because most of us we face one problem, that is we don't get partners for practicing. I think no need any partners, need your basic foundation, need your basic skill how to make sentences. If you know these tips, then it's good. And if you don't know, please try to watch some tutorials video from YouTube. After that, if you think you are able to make sentences, then you can follow some techniques to improve your skill. For example, you you have gone outside, and you are doing something. Whatever you are doing, please try to explain in English. Whenever you are going to make record your videos, but definitely you have to remove your shyness, you have to remove your hesitation. Your shyness can be very dangerous, can affect on your practicing. That's why you have to remove it, you have to cut it. If you cut it, if you remove it, then it's okay to continue your video. It's okay to make your video record. And if you record, then you can watch your video by yourself. After that, what's your mistake, where is your mistake? If you can realize, then try to correct it. And if you practice like this, definitely you can improve your skill. And you can do one thing, that is in every night when you are going to bed, before sleeping, you can follow Search English group. You can take a long story post which is really interesting to you, and in this story you can collect some unknown vocabularies. You can apply in your next topics, I mean in your next videos. You can apply in your practical life. By following this type of tips, you can improve yourself. Okay, take care everyone, and take care of yourself and also your family. Stay safe, stay well, keep me in your prayers. And Allah Hafiz, no more today. Thank you for watching the video. Best of luck for all.